Hi, it's Dr. Jocelin here with your weekly health tip. And today I'm going to talk about a question I've been getting asked a lot here recently in store about men's prostate health and what can you do naturally. Sometimes you start experiencing some symptoms, difficulties starting and stopping the urine stream. You're maybe having some discomfort. Obviously, I'm going to recommend making sure that you see your primary care provider and that it's something benign and just maybe some inflammation in the prostate, early stages, getting caught before it becomes an issue. So with that disclaimer out of the way, let's talk about some natural things that you can do to support prostate health. One of my favorite things is called Prostate by Life Seasons. It's an excellent blend. It's got your flower pollen in it, it's got your salt palmetto, it's got your nettle. So all the things that I'm looking for in a men's prostate blend. So salt palmetto helps both the prostate and your testosterone levels. And when your testosterone levels are lower, it tends to negatively affect the prostate. Nettle is an excellent lymph drainer and helps many of the body's detoxification processes. What a lot of people don't realize is that the prostate is the number one area for men that will get negatively affected by exposure to chemicals, pesticides, herbicides, fungicides. So guys who work in industrial fabrication, assembly, machining, mechanics, car mechanics, farm machine mechanics, people who are in commercial farming around the pesticides and herbicides, guys who are in all of those industries are at a higher risk rate for having challenges with their prostate. Used to be that you really didn't have a lot of symptoms until later years, and medical doctors would say that if you had prostate cancer, because the diagnosis was typically so late age-wise, that it really wouldn't hurt you, that something else would kill you before that. However, as we have seen our world and our environment get so much more toxic, we are seeing guys at a younger and younger age have issues with their prostate. And that information is no longer true, that you can just kind of let it ride. So the more that you can do to protect your prostate and make sure that the body is detoxifying correctly, and the earlier you do it. So if you work in one of those industries and you're not having any symptoms, you can take the Prostate at a low amount for daily maintenance. And that can be extremely helpful and supportive. We've got an excellent men's health section here. So we've got other supporting supplements for prostate levels, for testosterone levels, for urinary. So all of the different male things is right here in our men's section. And then I also typically, if you're having prostate issues, will recommend doing something to support the liver and gut health. So there's a lot that we can do to support the body naturally before something develops. But the key is to make sure that you are doing something now before it becomes an issue. So stop in and see us here at Whitaker's Natural Market as we help you continue your journey to better health naturally.